All right. So, yes, hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome. I hope you guys are doing well. So, yep, I am so excited for this video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Juliana. I'd like to say thank you for stopping by, and I'm pretty sure that you are also excited for this video. I hope. Because I am a little about my luxury purses. I started my journey when I was 19 years old. So I decided to start with Louis Vuitton. I kid you not, I still have that purse in my possession. It's a vintage. We can sit down here and talk about purses and I wouldn't be tired. I'm so excited to unbox this. I haven't opened this since I bought it. I was so busy at work and at home, and yeah. So anyway, technically this purse is not my first one from Hermes. This is my second one. If you want to learn more about my first one, it was a Birkin 30 in 2007. But I just wanted to enjoy this purse. A little about my appointment time. Okay, July 5th, it was Tuesday when I sent in my request for Hermes here in Los Angeles. I did not receive any email or response. What I did was, let me call them. So I called Hermes customer service and I introduced myself and I said I have requested an appointment at 4:30 and I just wanted to check if this has been granted. And they said, "Yes, ma'am, it was approved." And I said, "But I did not receive any email." So the lady on the other line said, "Oh, we apologize for that inconvenience." I said, "No, it wasn't an inconvenience." And they said that someone from Hermes will call you. And I said, "That's it? Give us 5 to 10 minutes." And I said, okay. So I said, "Okay, thank you so much." And they were delighted. Some old customers back in like 15, 20 years are coming back. Fortunately, I was one of them and I'm so thankful. I'm grateful. So anyway, I hung up the phone. I went back to work and then all of a sudden there was a call that I don't recognize the number. I didn't pick up my phone and I said, "Okay, go to my answering machine." And then I retrieved the voicemail and she introduced herself and she said her name is so and so. I saved that message and I called her back and she said, "Oh, Miss Lopez, I am so and so." And she said, "Keep this number. This is my cell phone number. This is my direct number and I will be assisting you." And I said, "Ooh, okay." And that was an easy breezy, like I said, cover girl. I said, "Okay, I'm so grateful that you called and I know you're busy. I'm not going to hold you further, but definitely I will see you at 4:30. I went back there. I finally met my new SA. She's a very pleasant lady. She's almost the same age as my daughter and she helped me. So anyway, she asked me, "What are you looking for?" I said, "I am looking for a purse." And she said, "Well, do you have something in mind?" I said, "I just want something that I can bring while traveling." I said, "I just want something like neutral, dark if it is possible. I don't like any gold. I love palladium like what I had before." So she said, "I already put this aside." I was grateful the way they treated me and we had a beautiful start and I hope to keep that. So I got this. I haven't touched the ribbon. I haven't opened the box since July 7th. This is very momentum to me because this is my reunion with Hermes since 2007. I'm so glad and I'm so pleased and thankful that I'm going to do this in front of you. Not because I want to brag about something, but I noticed that every time I upload something about purses, I have a lot of comments and they want to see more of my collection. Actually, we're going to go to that route. So anyway, let's unbox this. Okay, so this is it. I just wanted to let you know that this is not Birkin nor Kelly. Yeah. And yep. So my new SA, she knows her name. I am so thankful that she guided me from the very minute I got there. Okay. She's so sweet that she put my Twilly inside my box. The care booklet, as they always. And this is the pillow that is Hermes signature. They put pillow inside box. And I kid you not, I love their craftsmanship. We're going to talk about the pricing and info about the Twilly and everything. So this is the purse. And voila. And yeah, isn't she beautiful? My essay picked this color for me. Actually, my original color was black on black or black with palladium, but she offered this to me and she said, I have something for you. And the way I look at you, I know you're gonna love it. This is the Herbag zip in 31 cm in Retourne. And this is the zipper. That's the reason why I got the color Dune. And this one here is the officier, if I'm not mistaken. I hope I didn't butcher the name, but it is in the Bico officier canvas. There you go. The leather is in Virgo Hunter. Is it Virgo Hunter?
Actually, it's a Verzo Hunter cow.
I think so. Yeah. Anyway, Twilly, this is in Class Apo in rose beige multicolor. My SA assisted me in putting the Twilly. She and I tied the Twilly. Have you noticed there's a similarity with Kelly? They said that this is the poor man's Kelly bag. I don't believe that because for me, it depends on your liking. It depends on personal preferences. The hardware is palladium. There's bubble wrap here. And it comes with a pouch. And there's this clochette. This is the lock. It's in palladium. I'm going to take off the plastic, do the honor, and you can put this here, and this is the key. You can put this at the back as well, and there's a zippy pouch here, so I can put my cell phone in here, my car key. It comes with the strap as well. I am so pleased that this bag is reversible. Basically, you have two bags in one. Whatever the zippy packet outside is the interior of the bag. This is a good deal, if I may say, because you have two purses for the price of one. Lately, I noticed that Herbag is very hard to come by. So if you got an offer of Herbag in your local Hermes boutique, go for it because this is a nice purse to begin with. This purse is very ideal in traveling with style. Yeah, I am looking forward to use this.
For reference, I am 5'2.5" tall. I'm trying my utmost to justify this bag. This is my outfit for the day and totally just enjoying this purse the simplest way that I could do. Here I'm wearing my little black dress. You can dress up and you can dress down using this purse. It's very versatile. Here's the reverse side of the purse in Etoupe.
Alright, let's talk about the pricing. Don't get me wrong, at least give you an idea for your next luxury bag purchases. Anyway, so the Twilly for one piece, $195 before taxes. And then for the Herbag zip, and this is the Return, it was $2,675 US before taxes. So your taxes depends on the state where you live. So for me, I paid 9.5, considering Hermes, to get that kind of purse in less than $3,000. I can say two in one bag. That was a steal. Okay, guys, and that's it for our Hermes unboxing. Like what the French said, c'est tout. And that's it. I hope you like this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, I would love to invite you to please come join the gang by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to ring that bell to get notified on all my video uploads. Thank you so much. I love you all. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Jesus loves you.